Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually some prize mail, y'all, and a Bolzano unboxing. Y'all, I won some prize mail. It was so crazy. A couple months ago, I was watching one of my girls' videos, Angela Denise. I love her here on the YT. If you're not subscribed to her, definitely go and subscribe. I'll leave her channel information below. But she announced her giveaway winner, and it was me. And I was like, what? When did I enter her giveaway? Because I always comment on her videos because I genuinely like her videos. So I didn't even pay attention that that one particular video was a giveaway, but it was, and I won, guys. So I have a box over here of goodies, oh my god, to show you of the items that I won. I'm so excited to show them to you because I didn't even believe I won. I was like, what? I want a giveaway? Me? What? What are you talking about? So it was so cool to win the giveaway. So let me show you the makeup items I won. First, start off with the first thing. This is from Ulta Beauty. It's all your favorites. So it's a lot of the top brands in the minis. Skincare kit. I thought this was really cute, and I love the purple in here. The purple is super cute. So it's worth $50, y'all. That to me is a lot for everything that comes in here, but this is really nice. Gives me a chance to try out a lot of different high-end skin care programs and not have to pay the full price. I know I like the Mario Badescu glycolic acid toner. I probably said that all wrong, but I already have that, so I know I like that one. I do want to use the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior that's in here because, y'all, I do have wrinkles here. Like, if you can see them here and here. That's when I was getting my Botox, fixing it. But now I'm not getting Botox. I need to go back and get some Botox, though, because the wrinkles just annoy me. But I'm going to try this Kate Somerville and see how that works. And there's one more thing in here I wanted to try. It would be the Clinique Moisture Surge because I had the big one of it. So to be able to try it out again in this kit will be really... Now the next item in here that I won, the e.l.f. Glow on the Go selfie light. Like, oh my goodness. It's a little selfie light that goes on your phone. So you can take some bomb pictures, like bomb pictures. And the light on here does work. I actually already used it. And it has 3 different settings. So I just put it on my iPhone like that. Turn them settings on, boy, and you go ahead and take a picture, okay? Like, hello, you know what I mean? So yes, I am so happy to have this. This is pretty cool. I never thought of buying one, so it was really nice to win this. The next item in here, oh, so many items. This is from Prime Beauty. It's bronzers. It's a bronzer for deeper skin tones. I did swatch it already, but this is what it looks like. If you guys can see it, it's just going to be a nice bronzer to bronze here and here and underneath here. It looks a little red, but I'm going to be using it anyway because it was in my giveaway. So I'm gonna get some use out of that. And I've never used Prime Beauty products before, so it's always nice to branch out and try something else. The coolest thing in here though, guys, oh my god, and I already swatched it, is the Pat McGrath Sublime Bronze Ambition Eye Palette. Looks like this. I own nothing from Pat McGrath. Auntie Pat, I don't got nothing, okay? So this is my first item, so of course I was excited and I went ahead and swatched it already, and this is what it looks like. It has a big old mirror right there, and it comes with 6 colors, so hopefully her stuff is as hot as everybody says it is because I am going to be using it. This looks like this is going to be really nice for fall, so I cannot wait to use it because this is definitely going to be some staple colors for me for fall. Plus, like I say, I got Auntie Patty on my face, so that's always a plus, right? And the last 2 things that came in here was from Becca. This is the Chloe Malika and yours truly, so their collaboration, and it's a lippy, and the lippy is super cute because y'all already opened all this yesterday, but the lippy is super cute. Yes, that was just my alarm, just so you guys know. It's my drink water alarm because you have to stay hydrated after the surgery, so it goes off every 15 minutes. So I'm sorry guys. And then the last item, yeah, it's already over here, the last item. This is the YSL, the Touche Elat Bleu primer. I have the big one already. I'm over here pointing like y'all can see my makeup collection, but I have the big one over there in my makeup collection. But this is a mini one, and y'all, this one is bomb. Like, this primer is bomb. Like, if you can get this primer in your life, definitely get it. I have my second big one that I haven't got through much because I buy a lot of primers and a lot of makeup, which I don't need to be doing because I don't really even use it all, but that's another video. But I figured the mini I can put in my makeup bag and have it on the go and stuff. Ooh, and it's a spatula, and this comes out with a spatula. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this one in the makeup bag. So yeah, guys, these are all the items I won from the giveaway. Again, thank you so much, Angela Denise. And if you don't check her out, you need to check out her channel. I absolutely love her content. She does a lot of makeup videos. Once in a while, you'll see her do a little bath and body, and I love when she does because she doesn't go outrageous and crazy. It's just enough, and she's so classy, and she's a fellow Texan. I absolutely love her. So definitely go check out her channel, guys, and thanks again for all the goodies. So let's get into this month's Bolzano unboxing. Y'all know Bolzano is a monthly subscription that I get every month where you get a new purse, or you'll get accessories, a watch, glasses, all kind of things. But let me show you this month's bag. Now this is this month's bag. It's really cute for me, in my opinion, for the fall time. Nice little black purse. Like, oh, don't it look cute? Like, y'all, hold on. This is me in the fall, ain't it, y'all? Look. Hello, okay, girlfriend, okay, girlfriend. All right, so this is so me for the fall. I think this is a really cute purse, and if you don't want to rock it short, you can rock it longer because it does have the strap in here. Got the strap, like 50 Cent, get the strap, you know. But it has the strap inside here, and then they always leave like a leave behind in it as well. It comes with 2 pockets, well, not pockets, zippers, one on each side, and nothing in them this time, so there's nothing extra in them. But the detailing, if you guys can see it, is really pretty, and I think this is going to be really cute for the fall, so I cannot wait to rock my new purse. Like, honey, Bath and Body Works, yes. Go ahead and give me about 8 of those. Yeah, and I need about 3 of those candles. Yes. So I'm definitely going to be getting my usage out of this purse. If you guys want to sign up for Bolzano, I'll leave the information for you guys below. So if you need purses or you want to give gifts, you definitely can do it with them. That's it, guys. That's everything I got for prize mail. That's my Bolzano unboxing. Y'all, with the weather starting to change and us getting into the holidays, because you know November, Thanksgiving, Christmas is in December, I was thinking about doing giveaways for the month of December, like for the first 12 days of Christmas or something like that. If you guys would like to take part in a giveaway on the channel, definitely let me know in the comments below. I don't know how many days in December. I say the first 12 days in December, but I don't even got 12 days worth of stuff to give away, so I have to really think about it. But it will be a giveaway in December. It'll be at least 4 giveaways in December, so it'll probably be like the 4 first days of 4th day of Christmas or something. I don't know. I'm still thinking of what the prizes are going to be. Shoot me some information down below for prize ideas. Keep in mind though, I got 3 kids, okay, and I'm a single mama with 3 kids. Keep that in mind, okay? But I do want to give back to my channel because I have 32,000 subscribers, I think now. Y'all, I don't keep up, but I think I have 32,000 subscribers now, and I do want to give back in the month of December to say thank you to all my subscribers, because you don't have to click on my video, you don't have to give me the time of day. So I really want to get back to you guys to say thank you for supporting. And I think the holiday time is the best time to do it, because the holidays is when people really like to get something extra and something special. So the month of December, I will be doing at least 4 giveaways. So definitely stay tuned to that. Let people know. Make sure you bring more people over to the channel, because I want to see the channel grow. Like, I know numbers isn't everything, and it isn't everything, but I would love to have more friends. You know, y'all my friends. I like to have more friends. I mean, who can have too many friends? So, you know, definitely make sure to let people know about me. So the giveaways are coming, and that's all I got for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, remember, check out Angela Denise. I'll leave her information below, as well as Bolzano's information below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.